This is the Forward XL Suite.
By the sounds I'm breathing in, hold tight, chemicals collide. You make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. You can make me move.
14210, and this is the Forward XL Suite cabin, and I'm gonna show you a tour, so come along. Look at this space. So as you come in, you have your living room, and you have 2 access points. You have a entrance from the living room, and then you have an entrance from the bedroom. But look at it from this angle. Also with this suite, you get access to Loft 19, and they also give you champagne and fruit. A nice little touch, you know. Look at that. Separate living room. Then we have the bathroom. Look at this shower. You have the rain shower. So bougie. That's so nice. And you have a little sink area. And then you can access the bedroom from the bathroom. Or you can access it from here. And they have these nice little slide-in doors, which is really cool. See that? It's really nice. Very fancy. Let's see. I don't know how to pull this open. There we go. Burning curve. And then you have another access point over here to get to this part of the balcony. And then you have all this space, all these closets, robes, Loft 19. With this cabin, you have access to Loft 19, which is it's a floor where you can go, and there's not a lot of people. Look how big that TV is. Woo! You got your king bed. Look at that. There's the bathroom right there again. And you walk through here. Also, this couch, it pulls out to be a bed as well. Over here, you have also more storage. There's a lot of storage in this cabin. This is really nice. Now, this is the kicker. The balcony. Okay, so we're coming out, and you go all the way this way. And the really cool thing is that they put a lounger right here by a window, so you can like see out while you're chilling on the lounger. And then we're gonna walk all the way back. Look at this. Look how huge this balcony is. You can have a party of your own up here. Just chill. I'm gonna try to get it from over here. Look at this. Okay, we're gonna start walking this way. Look at this balcony. It's humongous. Again, this is the XL Forward Suite. Very beautiful. Very cute. I love it.